Welcome back to Construction Simulator in Europe. We are doing this service station, service center campaign thing in the European map. The job is not small. It is a big $2 million job. We've done a lot of the excavation, and then it's going to be a lot of concreting and stuff like that. We currently are just digging this hole out. Made really good progress last episode. We first put a dozer into the ground to make a ramp. That got the Cat articulated truck down nice and deep for us. And now we're actually digging out that ramp, which is right where my bucket head is, and finishing the job off. We may have to put a dozer into the hole at some point to clean up some of the scraps, or a wheel loader. But at the moment we're just using the excavator to push on through. I'm going to change the time of the day so we've got some nice daylight. That's a bit better. We can see the dirt now. I think we're very close to the point where we need to actually move the truck a bit. We're having to kind of reach probably more than we want to drop it off. The ramp is definitely about to disappear. There's not much left of it, so the truck's kind of stuck in the hole at this point. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see the completion of this. It shouldn't take too much more time. The actual hole, I'm guessing that's going to be done by today. The job itself has a huge amount of materials over there on the truck, so I think it's going to be quite the complex construction project. Let's do that. Let's see if we can move this over a bit, make it a bit easier so we don't have to stretch as much. I think maybe kind of in the middle here might be better. We definitely need to dig this corner out. Try not to dig too deep because it slows the head down, but also at the same time I want to make sure that this corner is cleared out sufficiently. I think I might just continue working, getting rid of the ramp, digging into this corner, then we'll go backwards and just deal with the pad that we're on. I might have to move the excavator just so I can reach it while I do the ramp. I think we can live on the edge. There's the wooden pole over here, so let's dig sideways for a while. I would like to actually turn that truck around. I'm not sure if that's possible or not. I don't know if we've got enough turning space in the hole, but let's see if we can do that. So we need to kind of, yeah, I would like to back up into that. Yeah, it's not bad. We can. Well, I think we can do this. Camera angles are weird as. So. Yeah, I think I'll do. So that should allow us to dig out this area and dump it into the truck. Okay, so I'm going to go backwards without falling in the hole. Alright, now we should be able to dig the rest of this ramp out. I don't think there's any need to put a wheel loader or a dozer in the hole to clean it up. I think the truck driving around has flattened out a lot of it. If you're watching this in June 2023, don't forget to go do the festival event, the festival site temporary job. I believe it's only available in June, and so if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to go do that. You make a stage on the European map. You make a stage in the middle of the map, kind of where the church is. There's like a big plaza behind the church, and you put a temporary stage there. Kind of cool. You put down the stage platforms. You make the lighting grid style gantry, and then you actually hang some speakers, which is kind of cool. Yeah, so my understanding is it's a limited time contract, so yeah, definitely do it. It's quite fun. It takes about half an hour if you have the right equipment. This is coming along quite nicely, 74% now. Going to try to get this little ridge that's right next to the truck here. Yeah, I don't think I can. Maybe can I get this area? I don't think I can get a bit of it, but I can't get I don't think I can squeeze in there to do it properly. Let's get back to doing big swoops, doing the small stuff at the bottom where your teeth are dragging through the ground is quite slow. You want to do nice big solid scoops like that if you can. Might roll back a bit before I kind of fall down this hole. Yeah, if I can, I would like to drive this back a bit further, so let's see if I can see if we can get this cat, well, first things first, emptied, but hopefully we can get it back. There it goes. So that should allow us to finish off the corner here. Alright, so let me back up a bit. You can see the sticking through, pun, sticking through the truck there, so that gives us an idea where the corner is. $77. And clean this up a little bit so we can get the truck in here. Well, it's a good way of making some money. I'm just going to do a quick swipe of the area where we're going to go, clean it up. All right. So I think the peg, does it line up with that yellow one? Oh, it does, so I think we're going a bit deep. I was thinking I had to dig like back to here somewhere, but I actually only have to dig back to that yellow line. I was going a bit deep. But it is the yellow line at the bottom, not the yellow line at the top. So you've got to account for the dirt slope. If we look at the construction thing, yeah, we're going a little bit too far. It's 79% now. Yeah, I want to get it across a bit more, so I'm gonna just do a swipe in here so we can drive into here. There's a fair few levels where you can just keep on digging. Like, I'm pretty sure you could dig all the way over there if you wanted to just have a huge digging exercise. The bedrock is just a plate under the entire map, or the campaign part of this map. So yeah, I've said this a couple times. If you just want to make money, just dig massive holes. Dig more than you need, and then when you exit the blue box, it will just fix it for you. Yeah, we've got plenty of space now, so we can do a lot more maneuvering. So let's make it our swing. So my goal here is to get the length of the boom to be or the boom arc to be in alignment with the truck. So by the time I pick it up, see, I'm over the truck. That's always my goal from a positioning point of view. So we're only 10% the way through this campaign level, so there's going to be a lot ahead of us. A lot of craning, a lot of concreting. I've seen a couple of levels where you actually do digging twice. You build a building and then finish it off, put a roof on it, all that stuff, and then you start another building on the same site. So maybe it's one of those situations. I don't know. Of course, I could just go look at the contract, but it's kind of fun to have the gist from the contract, but then discover it kind of like along the way. Or at least I enjoy the discovery of it. It's getting dark again. I'll probably change the time very soon. I'm just doing a couple of scoops on the ground there just to make sure I can drive the truck into this corner, but I'm trying to take the bulk of it as big scoops from the wall. That yellow line's still a little bit exposed at the top there, so we've got a bit of wall to pull back still. Alright, change the time of the day. I'm going to do noon again. Another drink for me. Alright, is that where I really want it to be? I might move it over by about half a truck. Yeah, it shouldn't take much longer. Because we got the truck down into the hole so fast, I think that definitely shaved off a good 5, 10, maybe even 15 minutes. That's because it helps with the booming of the excavator. I'm not quite sure how the dirt logic works. Like, if I'm dumping it at the back here, does it like flow to the front? Yeah, I'm not quite sure how the animation. Like, you can see there's a slope here at the back. Like, is it falling off the back because I'm doing that? Like, if I look at that now, there is 5, 8, 8, 9, and it seems that if I keep on putting dirt at the back. A little bit came up, but if I put a big scoop at the front and really stretch, I shouldn't do that. Get my weight. Come on. This example may have gone awry. Anyway, let me dump this out. So it definitely animated at the front there, right? But where it seems to, yeah, 6. I think it definitely works. You get more capacity based on where you well, that's one way of doing it. I don't know if I can drive out of this. Well, let's do it kind of realistic, and I'll dig it from below. Will I? Yeah, I'll dig it from below. I don't know how we're going to get out the hole, because, you know, there's no ramp, but... Yeah, you'll see that digging from down here... I mean, I'm now going downwards into the hill rather than like into it sideways, and so the scooping happens a lot later. So it doesn't start scooping until now, where before you'd be already scooping some. You struggle to get over the edge. I mean, it is up on the dirt a bit there. Yeah, it's definitely slower to dig from below. I'm going to try to get out of this hole. Put my weight down. Oh, are we going to do it? If I put my bucket in the ground, it actually does give you purchase. I'm quite proud of myself there. I thought I was going to get stuck in the hole. So I'm actually go around and get this side done. Okay, well that was a bit of a fun exercise. Bit of a waste for a couple of minutes, but yeah, good content. It does show you though, if you just attack the problem slowly and methodically, you can usually get out of it. I saw that that hill there was not too steep. But the I mean, that hill there, debatably you could even drive the truck out of. We're up to 93%. If we just get rid of some big bulk pieces, we should be good here. Nice big solid swipes. 94. Tell you what, that truck's filling up fast. $95. Yeah, it shouldn't take too much more to make this get to 100. Yeah, I think if this had been done multiplayer, it would have been topsoil removal and the pit in under an hour, I think. Because the digging would have been realistically twice the speed. So that would have reduced it from about, where we at? About an hour of digging down to half an hour, and then the topsoil would have been about 15 minutes. So there's the stick is right here, so let's get a little bit more out of this corner. I think over here is slightly in range too, so we'll get that done. We'll look at the construction. So it's all nearly green around there, so that's a lot of it's over there on the left. So let's clean up this area here. Yeah, that far left wall over there where the stick is, we haven't finished that area off, so there's a little bit of red over there causing some of this. But if we clean up this corner here, I think 100 should pop. Get the camera angle right. Need to empty the truck, but also I think I need to move it across a bit because I'm struggling to reach it. Yeah, if I just get this little area done where the yellow line is, I think we should be good to go. 99. Come on. 100. As I finish this load off. Yeah, you could dig now, because that blue line is so far out, you could dig the whole site if you wanted. You could dig all of this, for example. There's nothing stopping you digging up an extra $1 million worth of dirt. Get this off the site. I'm not sure whether we're going to need it or not, but we'll get it all the way out here. We'll curl it up, make it a bit smaller and not so big, as in the way. Oh, we just missed that. Alright, we can sell that. And I think because we're in the hole, we're just going to have to reset it. And then the last thing is a piece of wood that's in the way, so we'll use our crane to pick that up. This was on the truck and it was blocking one of the beams we had. So, talking of that, pallet of wood. That's what actually... yeah, it's actually what this is, so... So with, yeah, I'll zoom out a bit. Yeah, we've got our big crane over here that we're using. Let's, oops, extend the beam out a bit more so we've got more, more boom to use. We'll probably use this for this bit, but then we'll construct the actual tower crane. So we've got two of these red things. Zoom in a bit so we can see what we're doing. So we need a rebar mesh, which is way down the front here, so we may have to do some maneuvering to get that out. Actually, that's not the one we wanted. Oh, bit out of control. So this looks like to be, it just looks like a basement. Okay. Get this down neat and tidy. Just gonna get the camera angle back to normal. So we need a pallet of vapor stuff, which I think is this white one up front. Trying to get a camera angle here so we can see what we're doing. And now we need a rebar mesh. I think in the middle here might be the easiest one. We should be able to put it on the road here and it shouldn't get in the way. Yeah, we're going to have to move a fair few of these. I'm going for this one right there, so we're going to have to get rid of a fair few of these. Yeah, I like to get everything at once, but it does tend to cause mayhem from an unloading point of view. I'm actually going to put this on the back of the truck if I can. Actually, I tried to do that before and it didn't fit. So let me put this down here. So this metal beam's too long, so we're going to have to do this corrugated thing as well. I think finally we can get to the rebar. No, we still have this metal beam to get rid of. of a hodgepodge of sequencing, isn't it? Alright, that's what we needed. I think I might leave this crane on site. We probably will construct the other crane as well, but having two cranes isn't the worst thing to have. Change the time of day before we do this so the cinematic is more interesting. So a lot of concrete foundations, and then we'll do no doubt a whole lot of walls. All right, so let's get out our trusty pump. We'll grab up that one. Let's go for the, I don't know, which one should we go for? We'll maybe go for the green mixer. There's actually a couple of new ones to be bought. I don't think I'll buy one, but mixers, if I can find them. Yeah, I think some of these are new. I'm not sure which ones they are, but yeah, I believe there are some new ones. Oh, this one's interesting. Concrete mixer pump. It's both. Oh, these are the new ones. Interesting. So that's going to be really good for small jobs like fountains and stuff like that. Yeah, but for this bigger type job, we want to use these bigger pieces of equipment. Let's do a bit of fast travel action and get these over here. I think we can set this up maybe on the side, or do you want to go on the front? It's not the biggest of sites. Well, the thing is, you can't boom too close. I think I might try to... Where's the arms? So I think if we go like that, it's not going to hit. We'll open up the back gate, and yeah, that should do as well. We'll do the close stuff first because it's really hard to unfurl after the point. Yeah, because it does that. All right, let's grab a mixer. Do a quick 180. The turning circle on these mixers is terrible. It should be terrible in real life too. Alright, so let's move this around. Alright, fill her up and get pouring. Since we're going to be doing this for a while, I'll put it in pouring mode rather than using a trigger. Oh, stop doing that. Oh, that's really annoying. I'm going to have to play move that. Could that be more annoying if it tried? Yep, we're going to have to reset that. So I think we'll just move the whole thing backwards a bit. Alright, let's try that again. Am I still too close? I am. Alright, let's try this again. I'm going to stay close. Ah, I am too close. We'll get this part done while it's still green. Oh, it's super annoying. Alright. Now we're actually cooking with gas. Yeah, we might have to move it again. If we have to pour concrete for like a foundation of a wall, that might be a problem still. Hopefully that little bit on the left there won't cause us to not hit 100%. Oh, come on. I wonder if it's the proximity to the fence, or is it just... I'm not sure what's causing that. It's not like we're glitching into anything. Yeah, if anybody understands why it's not allowing me to do it like that, please tell me. Yeah, the reach is pretty good, so I probably should just make it, just move it further away. Because I'm barely at that full reach. Alright. Stuck on those pipes a bit. Camera angles and controls are not my friend right now. It's funny, sometimes the concrete pump is just so easy to use, and sometimes the angle gets wrong, the head doesn't want to do what you want it to do. Then we're going to unpack the concrete, they call these footings, what do they call them? Frames. Why is this? Oh, it's just because the head's in the way. Now this will use a lot of concrete up. Yeah, hopefully I'm not going to have to move it. Looks like I'm going to have to. I'm just going to move it. Because we've got the reach. What I'm going to do is actually use the side itself. I'm going to go way over here. So I don't have to worry about diagonals. If I go over here, it's going to be more of a simple swing. Deal with the turning circle on this guy. Alright, let's try again. Yeah, a bit of manoeuvring with this concrete pump, kind of taking the fun out of it. It does not want to go close. There it goes. Alright, filling up nicely now. And nice and full there. Yeah, it's working quite well now. Pouring through the concrete. We'll get this little bit here before I move away too far. I'm going to try to get this close stuff while it's not being temperamental. That light, I was about to say that light's probably going to get in the way. Have to go up and over it, I think. Wow, that's another one completely emptied. Go up and over that light. Nice. Boom that out of the way. I think we can use the crane for now. I don't think there's a reason to have to install the crane right yet. We'll take the pieces off of the truck first to unblock other components. Rather than the ones off the ground. What have we got left? Pallet of wood. That's the ones that are shorter. And another Rio. Is that it? Yep, that will be it for this lifting exercise. So I assume we're going to get a floor. So we'll quickly do this. Oh, that's a lot of floor. How many is that? 10 to do. Alright. I'm not really particularly choosing any particular spot for these. Sun's setting again, time's moving on. The good thing about this massive mobile crane is the boom moves quite fast relative to the ground, so you do get quite a quick lateral movement. I think it's actually faster than the overhead crane for sure. Because yeah, a tiny amount of movement on the triangle, that is the boom and the rope, does cause a lot of ground movement. The other thing you do have to do is, because you're booming up, the rope becomes shorter really quick. Oh, it leaves the ground, so there's a lot of rope movement up and down. I don't think I'm going to bother rotating these in. What's that, 2 to go? Do a quick rotation here, so just so I don't hit anything. And lucky last. I think the concrete pump's set up in a place where we can pour it. And then we probably can call it a day. Come on. There it goes. So we'll do a quick pour. Change the time of day, of course. Always like to do this at noon. Right, so let's get this poured. Hopefully this close stuff is doable. Yeah, we're not struggling like we did before. I jinxed myself just as I said that. Ironically, that head swinging is giving us what we need. Yeah, I don't understand why this job's having that problem, but other jobs didn't. That shadow from the mobile crane's huge. What are we up to? 30%? Third the way there. Plan is just to do stripes. Surprised the concrete mix hasn't run out yet. There it goes. And the camera angle weirdnesses have started. It seems to only happen when you get a certain distance away from the truck. We were able to go up and over that light then, which was good. We're going 80%. That's finishing off nice and fast now. It's going to do a bit of yellow action. 100. Of course, we're just... oh, we're not even close. We're definitely parked where we don't want to be. Actually, what's going to happen is a whole lot of panels are going to turn up. What's it going to be? Deliver and spread gravel. I did not see that coming. Try to get around this tree. Alright. Well, I think we'll do that next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And tune in next time for some gravel action. And I think something's going to happen down this end too. It's too big an area to be ignored, so I'm pretty sure we'll end up doing gravel there and then maybe gravel at the other end. But as always, we'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.